All right, good day again. Welcome back to the channel. Second video I am dropping today. Welcome back. Thanks for being here as always. And you guys know that we appreciate the support at the Formula Sports channel. Again, gentle reminder as always, you know the YouTube stuff, hit the likes button on the video, subscribe and share, free and easy ways to support. People, don't forget the promo code either. Don't forget the promo code. People, the JFF are put in work. We don't like them, but them are put in work. We don't like them, but them are put in work. We don't rate them, but fear is fear. The JFF are put in the work for market the thing. The promo code Formula Sports, all lowercase. You guys go on the JFF website. If you're purchasing tickets there, you use Formula Sports promo code to get a big 10% discount. I'm telling you already, 10% on a joke discount. Every mickle make a muckle, and 10% off is no mickle. 10% off is a muckle. See? So, the big upcoming game, June 6th. You're buying tickets on the JFF website for that game, the World Cup qualifier. Use the promo code. All right, so we're getting into it now. I'm going to give my thoughts and my opinions on this, because when I see them IG story, I just couldn't help myself but for set a bomb and do this video and come to the people and share my thoughts and share my opinions, right? I couldn't help myself because it looked like Reiss Nelson want to play that game here with the fans, Ladies and gentlemen, it looked like Reiss Nelson want to play that game here with the fans. So the Formula Sports is going to play along, right? I see the two IG story them. You see it on your screen, the one on the left, the one on the right. And not only those two IG stories, but other postings on the IG page of Reiss Nelson, because you don't know Reiss Nelson at the island, and like many fans, we are checking on the IG to see where the ball are up to, right? Right now, a Reiss Nelson mania in the Reggae Boyz space. Reiss Nelson friends with the fans them are pre the boss IG page, understandably so. And we see them two story, and I can't help but for ask myself the question: is Reiss Nelson trying to tell us something, ladies and gentlemen? I have to wonder if there are hidden messages in these IG stories and other posts that he has made about being in Jamaica. I have to wonder if there are hidden messages, ladies and gentlemen. If Reiss Nelson is saying something without saying something. I'm going to read too much into it. But honestly, that is just the vibe and the energy where I pick up like he is teasing something. That is just the vibe and the energy where I get too many national symbols like the flag, too many national emblems. I don't know. This not feel like it don't feel like just vacation post, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. It don't feel like that to me, man. Honestly. But I just feel like Reiss Nelson are trying to tell us something without telling us something. Hidden messages. That is the energy and the vibe that it is giving off. I'm not saying that is the case. This is just my opinion, ladies and gentlemen. It's my opinion that I'm stating in this video. I just the vibe and the energy when I pick up, it just feel like something deeper there. But I don't know. Hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. See? Anyways, knock up the likes button, subscribe and share. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And until next time.